Hi, let's look at Axie Infinity, ticker symbol AXS, currently at $69.46, market rank 41 with a market dominance of 0.2%. So 0.2% of all of crypto is in Axie Infinity. Now we will look at data again. We will look at the US dollar chart, at Axie Infinity in Bitcoin, so the AXS price divided by the Bitcoin price. And last but not least, we will look at relative performance to Ethereum. So how many Ethereum does it need to buy one Axie Infinity token? Now there's a bit of a problem with Axie Infinity right now. It looks to me like the usage is declining. Now I don't have detailed data on this, right? But if you just look at search volume in Google Trends worldwide, we had a peak in July of this year, and since then we dropped 50% in terms of search volume. The crypto, however, could somewhat still keep up, right? The crypto went up 60%. In terms of Ethereum, it stayed pretty much flat, but the search volume is declining. And if you look at the related topics, a lot of it has to do with direct usage, right? The game, the marketplace, the development, APK, the login, Android. So it's not all related to cryptocurrency, to crypto investing, which is good. There is real usage. People are playing the game, especially in the Philippines. But unfortunately, this seems to be fading. And the nice thing about it is if you are still in Axie Infinity, at least you didn't get hurt financially by this yet. Your token kept pace with Ethereum. And since Ethereum went up, you even made money during this time. You made US dollar gains. So that's nice. But the question is, how sustainable is this high price if usage is declining? Now, there's always two sides to it, right? You could argue trading volume is going down. And when trading volume is comparatively low, you've got potential for a breakout. Because you don't want to buy when trading volume is very high and then we potentially drop in price, which didn't happen too much for Axie Infinity, but it does happen for a lot of other coins. Very often when we do have elevated trading volume, when we do have elevated prices, we tend to fall afterwards because attention goes down, and so the price very often goes down. People that buy in on a hype, they tend to sell once the hype is over. And so we had a lot of this hype in the summer of this year. That hype faded. The price luckily did not fade. It did not go down. But now we are at a situation where I am not so sure if the risk versus potential reward is really that favorable. Because look at this, we are already at market rank 41. How high can Axie Infinity really go when current searches are declining? Let's take the super bull case and say Axie Infinity goes from place 40 to place 22, Polygon-matic. And Polygon is a huge network, right? There's a lot of NFT trading happening on Polygon. It's a second layer on top of Ethereum to reduce gas fees. It's obviously a completely different thing, right? It's not a game, but still, let's just say it becomes as important in the overall crypto space as Polygon. We are looking here at a market cap of 9 billion and Axie Infinity's market cap is 4 billion. So you've got a bit over a 2x here. So that would put the price somewhere around here, right? We're still looking at relative valuation to Ethereum. So this is more or less the absolute bull case where Axie Infinity could go. It's unlikely to make another 10x from here. It's simply already too large. Usage appears to be going down. The potential loss is huge. So I am not entirely convinced that it's a good idea to get into Axie Infinity right now. I think if you're willing to go down this list, of altcoins all the way to Axie Infinity, you might as well consider cryptos with a bit more potential, right? You might even go down a bit further and look at assets such as Harmony or Qcoin token or Chiliz. I'm not saying that I'm endorsing any of those coins, but what I am saying is that the growth potential for Axie Infinity at this level is limited. There's quite a few headwinds. There are resistances. There is a pretty strong resistance at only 20% outperformance versus Ethereum. There's quite a bit of potential loss. And so my personal opinion is to stay away from Axie Infinity right now. Unless you've got a different impression here. If this is completely wrong and Axie Infinity is still growing, the usage is still going up, then just forget about this video, ignore everything that I said and simply buy this token. But if you don't have more information than me, then why take on all that risk for a potential gain that's not really that impressive in terms of the overall altcoin market, right? A 2x in an absolute bull case, that's not really worth it. That's at least how I see it. I am very interested though in what you think about it. If you've got a completely different idea here, if you completely disagree and you've got data to support this, maybe there's an upcoming release that will turn everything around. Maybe there's activity and data that I haven't captured yet. Maybe there's some kind of transaction data that's interesting to look at. If you've got anything that supports a strong bull case for Axie Infinity now, please let me know. This would be really, really interesting. If you enjoyed this video, please give this a like. YouTube will then help to grow the channel. And if you haven't yet, feel free to subscribe as well. I publish a video every single day. Last but not least, we've got a Telegram channel, the Bitcoin Strategy channel. We are around 600 people over there. You can find us either by clicking the link in the video description or simply by searching for Bitcoin Strategy channel within the Telegram app. See you next time. Bye bye.